Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. We just got back from Best Buy because we have a $20 reward card, and my son needs a wireless mouse. So I was checking online, and this one is pretty good. This one is by Logitech Control Plus, and it is M510. This one has a back forward button on the side right here. And it says 24 months battery life. I'm not too sure about that. If you use more often, then that might affect the battery level. And this one is a large size. Because I saw some other one is kind of smaller one, but this one is more comfortable. And then this button is pretty tactile. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is by Logitech. Oh, so I don't even need to use my scissor. It says world leader in mice. Back and forward buttons for convenient web navigation. So it comes with what's inside the box here. Mouse, you got the wireless adapter, battery, and then instruction. So let's go ahead and open this up. So that was pretty easy. I thought I had to cut this seal package open. So here's the mouse. They have a red color, navy color, and then black. So I figure black one is you don't get dirty as fast. And the button is pretty tactile. And then there's a wheel right here. The backward, forward button. So the battery is already in here. And you need to pull this out. I'm not sure what's this one for. Oh, this is when you need to remove it. Cool. There's this wireless adapter that's in here. Nice. There's a storage. There's your on and off switch right there. So I'm going to take this out and then put it in a laptop and then test it. So here's the instruction manual right here. I just pull out this yellow tag already, the one with the arrow. And then make sure it's on. Take out the wireless adapter and all the dongle, and then put the cover back. And then you plug into the USB Type A plug, either your laptop, notebook, or your desktop. And then here's important safety, compliance, and then warranty information. French, Spanish, Espanol, and then Portuguese. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.